Hey, welcome to this week's Stick It to the Man video. I'm Nate with Brilled Lighting, if you don't already know. Apologize if the sound's not quite as good on this week's video. I've been needing to charge my headphones for some time, and I'm having my penance now as I'm charging them, so we're just going off the webcam today. But really simple video today. I love sharing stories from our partners, for everybody's kind of privacy. I don't really share who it is, and I try not to call out specific manufacturers because these issues are indicative of the industry as a whole. There are very rare times I'll call out a specific manufacturer on some total crap they're pulling, as you all know, but in most cases I won't. In this case, I just want to share a general story. I've been talking to one of my partners on and off over the past several weeks, this ongoing saga of this absolute mess of a job that they're dealing with. And really where it all started is the manufacturer, they've been buying from for years, hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of product, sold them a bunch of lights, high bay lights that were out of style. They were out of, they're no longer the current deal, and they didn't tell them that. They didn't tell them that these are end of life. They didn't tell them there was not an old product line either. It was a newer product line. They didn't tell me it's end of life. Buy the lights and go to find out that not all the lights show up the same because some of these are end of life and some of these are not end of life, and I can't get replacements because they're a different type. And now the customer wants to add some lights that need to match. Well, I can't match because those don't exist anymore. All these different problems that come up. The emergency drivers don't mount the right way. Like tons of issues. And all because this manufacturer is trying to get rid of some old product and kind of stick the customer with the problem. They didn't give them a big discount to get rid of the old product. They didn't tell them it was end of life old product. They're just kind of screwing him, sticking him with it. And he's been meeting with them. He's been talking with them. He's been yelling at them, the whole thing. And guys, they just don't care. They just don't care to help him. They're very pleased that they stuck him with the problem and they got some good money out of him. The remainder of the few fixtures they've left, they've now put on a big old sale, and he got screwed. He paid way more than that for him. This is the kind of crap that we see in the industry all the time. These are the kind of stories that I hear people telling me all the time. And guys, that's why Brilled got into the industry. If you're getting the short end of the stick, if you've been screwed over, you've been treated unfairly by your existing partnerships, whether it's the electrical distributor or whether you're already buying direct from some other manufacturers, if you're getting a poor customer experience, that's why Brilled is here. We are here because we truly care about people, and our products are good products. I like our products, but guys, everybody has some good products. At the end of the day, we provide you good products, but the thing that sets us apart is we do it with a better experience and real partnership. When we say partnership, we really care about you. We really partner with you. In fact, this same customer, several months ago, we had done a job with them where we supplied a product we thought would work great. We've done photometrics, we've done everything. They had approved it. We had every bit of wherewithal to say, hey, you approved the design, it's your problem. But of course, that's not who we are. And ultimately, when the lights got on the project, it didn't work as we had hoped it would. Things just didn't quite make sense and didn't pan out as we had hoped. And so we worked with them to make it right. We ended up sending out completely different lights on our dime. And we ended up working together to actually find another person who needed the original stadium lights we sent out. It worked out as a win-win-win. And none of us took a huge hit, but it took us working together for that to happen. In a win-lose situation, your typical buyer-seller relationship never would have happened. The good solution never would have come forth. Everybody would have been bitter. Bridges would have been burned. But because we had this real partnership and we were willing to work together and kind of put the money aside while we figure out how to solve this problem for everybody came out okay. It was a great solution. Customers happy at the end result. We got the original lights off to another customer who was stoked, and we gave him a deal on them, so we ended up shipping back. Everything worked out awesome. Guys, that's just one example of hundreds I can give you. Our guys at Brilled, we really care. We really care about you. If you're getting a crappy experience, I urge you to please give us a shot. Give us a shot and let us show you what the experience is like working with Brilled Lighting. I look forward to talking to you. This is Nate with Brilled. I'll see you next week.